Hello everyone in the EDAP5. Okay, I just found a bug, so I'm going to start over. So when we go in to the class, we're going to open in a new tab your voice thread. You're now going to come over here to add your own, create a new voice thread, add the media. You're going to go to URL, and you're going to complete the Scott block maneuver and paste in the URL of the movie. You also probably want to go ahead and title your voice thread. And save it. Now, it will take it a while for it to bring in the movie from YouTube, so don't panic. Just let it do its thing. You will then create a small PowerPoint so you can put in the other slides that we are asking you to put in. If you think about it, this is just really not that hard to do, but it does require some thinking, and that's the whole point of the exercise. Here it is. Here is our first slide. When you put in your PowerPoint, it will come in with other slides here. And as you can see, when you bring this up,
knowledge building is a pervasive, continuous process of learning.
And so your movie about your particular topic is now in your voice thread. Now, the other thing we're asking you to do is to work in a group. Now, working in a group means that someone has to start the voice thread. Everybody that's in the group shouldn't go make a voice thread yet. One person in the group makes the voice thread, and then you're going to come down here to share. And in the share, we're going to add everyone in to the voice thread. You do that by clicking on Contacts. You then type in a email of the people in your class. You know, let's try and see if the contact names work. Since we're inside of Blackboard, it should know your name. So let me go ahead and we'll try a name and let's see what happens. Oh, it wants a. So I'm going to try putting Scott's, I'm guessing Scott's U of L. Let's see if I can find him. So now I have, let's see if I have Scott in here. There he is. And so I can select Scott. He is now a part of my group that I am using, that is creating this voice thread. I'm going to allow Scott to view it. I'm going to allow Scott to comment on it. And I'm going to allow Scott to edit it. And then I'm going to share. And now Scott and I can work synchronously.
Knowledge building is a pervasive,
on our knowledge. This is how you build a group that can now collaborate on your knowledge building principle jigsaw. It's just that simple. When you get finished, well, we'll go over what you're going to do with these to put them into VoiceThread. It's very easy. I mean, to put it into live text. It's very easy. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to X out of here. And as you can see, I am now in where we can either go up here and edit. I can share and return to the course. And at this point, as you can see, it's ready for me to share it back to the course. You have to do this, otherwise it just kind of goes off into VoiceThread heaven. and it takes a while to find it. It's not like it gets lost. Don't freak out. But when I say I want to submit and share with EDAP58775, you see, here's Kayla's, and now here's mine that I started working on that has Scott as a member. I get back into it by just clicking on the edit button. If I want to share it with another member, I can go in here and let's see if there's another person who's in our class that we could put into this. So I can come up here and I can do the same thing again. I can put in Catherine.taylor@louisville.edu. And I will say, oh, this field is required. All right, now we'll save that. So now I have another person, there's Catherine, and I can let her view, I can let her comment, I can let her edit, share. And so these two people, along with me, now we all have the ability to work on this voice thread about pervasive knowledge building, and it will be inside of our knowledge building course collection. I find this really kind of cool. And I think it's one of the things that as a person who is building an online course, I still maintain a voice thread presence outside of the Blackboard space. So if you want to borrow that and use it within your online community as a way of kids being able to build projects together using this tool, I'll be more than happy to let you have access to it. Okay, so that's what we're up to on Tuesday night. As you can see, it's going to be a very busy, full evening. We have a lot of reading to do, and we have a lot of talking and creating to do. As always, I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday night. You make my Tuesdays.